my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have PERP coin perpetual contract daily update. We are going to see the exact targets as we are having the weekly close, that it is very important to see whether PERP is going upwards or downwards. We are going to explain everything with every single detail. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to the PERP. Okay, so right here you can see that we are having PERP and it is at the 1.1080 around here, a little bit further down right now. It seems it has been going just tiny bit further down of the 1 USDT. Remember that we talked about that this for the weekly frame is a very hugely important resistance level. Not only that though, but this one as well. There we go, 1.085 we talked about in the previous video, 1.089 around this area anyway should be the case that you need to be careful about PERP against USDT chart. This whole area will serve as a major resistance level. Now, for PERP, what do we need to do? We need to see a weekly close above this area right here. If we do not see that coming in, then it is very, very likely that PERP is going to go further down. You can see that in the 4-hour frame, we had a crazy correction of minus 20% after another pump of plus 14%, right? The next was a huge correction coming in for PERP, minus 20%. Crazy stuff, minus 5% right now. You can see what volatility these altcoins have. You run tons of risk if you want to get into a long or short position. Right now though, it seems that PERP is correcting, right? It is correcting from the 92 RSI that we had into the daily frame, right? And we are here into the 4-hour frame as well. Right now though, we want to see after this minus 20% correction how PERP is going to go. In the lower time frames until Sunday, because Sunday to Monday is the weekly close, right? We want to just close above, okay. But let's discuss a little bit about the short term. Now, if we close below in the short term, the 0.995 around there, 0.995 should be the price that we need to close above. But if we do not close above the 20-day exponential moving average, this yellow line right here, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. Okay, the yellow line right here, we are at the edge of closing above or below. If we close below, it is very likely that we test down the 0.82, and this won't be good in the short term for PERP, because then we go, of course, further down into the weekly scale, we close below, and therefore we cannot go into a long position after. It is most likely that you should be going into short position. However, with PERP, you cannot, for sure that is, all right, I'm telling you this, certainly we cannot just use leverage. If you want to use leverage, you will get for sure liquidated, because you might be on a short position and, for example, PERP does something like this and then down, all right, with this whole thing right here could be a minus 15%, a plus 15% for PERP, right? And you're in a short position, you put like 6x and then you lose it all, right? So therefore you need to be extremely careful, 6 to 7x. Okay, so therefore you need to be extremely careful with what you are doing. I wouldn't recommend using leverage in any way. I do not recommend using leverage in general, but for this thing as well right here, we do not want to use leverage right now. Okay, just be extremely careful. For the time being, we are in a very, very close position to just see what we are going to do, but it seems more likely that PERP needs to correct a little bit right now, so be extremely careful. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, patreon.com/mindyourcrypto. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day, and see you soon. Bye.